In this video, we'll explore the top electric SUVs of 2025 that are transforming the future of driving. Performance: 0-60 miles per hour in under 2.6 seconds, the fastest SUV in the world. Range: over 340 miles on a single charge. Interior: futuristic cockpit with yoke steering and panoramic windshield. Technology: advanced AI-powered autopilot and full self-driving features. The Model X Plaid proves that an electric SUV can be both a family car and a supercar. Design: bold, futuristic look with luxury-focused detailing. Performance: dual-motor all-wheel drive with 610 horsepower. Range: up to 300 miles per charge. Luxury: spacious interior with premium materials and ambient lighting. The iX M60 combines German engineering with electric innovation. Performance: up to 496 horsepower in sport mode. Range: around 300 miles. Tech: virtual cockpit, AI-powered infotainment, and advanced driver assistance. Luxury: refined cabin with sustainable, eco-friendly materials. Audi proves that electric SUVs can be elegant, powerful, and environmentally conscious. Performance: sports car DNA with instant electric torque. Range: around 300 miles. Design: sleek, aerodynamic style with Porsche luxury touches. Interior: digital cockpit with sporty seating and premium details. The Macan EV blends Porsche's racing heritage with a sustainable future. In 2025, luxury sedans have evolved into more than just vehicles. They are rolling works of art that combine cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and unmatched comfort. With the world moving towards electrification, brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Lucid, and Tesla are pushing the limits of what a luxury sedan can offer. Today we'll explore the most advanced electric sedans of 2025, highlighting their performance, technology, and luxury features. Performance: up to 516 horsepower and a range of 340 miles. Technology features the MBUX Hyperscreen, a massive 56-inch curved display. Luxury: handcrafted interiors with ambient lighting and massage seats. Experience: silent, smooth ride with intelligent driving assistance. The EQS redefines elegance, proving that sustainability can also mean ultimate comfort. Performance: dual-motor setup delivering 536 horsepower. Entertainment: 31-inch 8K rear display with surround sound system. Luxury: crystal controls, customizable ambient lights, and executive seating. Range: around 318 miles per charge. The i7 is designed for both the driver and passengers, blending driving pleasure with cinematic entertainment. Performance: tri-motor system producing 200+ horsepower. Range: over 500 miles, setting a new standard in EV efficiency. Design: sleek, aerodynamic styling with luxury-focused interiors. Tech: advanced driver assistance and AI-based navigation. The Lucid Air Sapphire shows that an American newcomer can challenge Europe's biggest names in luxury. Performance: 1,020 horsepower, 0-60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Technology: autopilot and full self-driving capabilities. Luxury: minimalist interior with a yoke steering wheel. Range: about 396 miles per charge. The Model S Plaid is a symbol of Tesla's relentless pursuit of speed and innovation. Performance: 750 horsepower with launch control. Design: classic Porsche DNA with futuristic electric styling. Luxury: leather-free interiors with premium recycled materials. Range: around 300 miles per charge. The Taycan Turbo S proves Porsche can electrify performance without losing its soul. Performance: dual-motor setup with 500+ horsepower. Design: sleek executive styling, aerodynamic enhancements. Luxury: spacious interiors with massage, ventilation, and high-end infotainment. Range: 350+ miles estimated. Audi's e-tron sedan is built for executives who want sustainability without compromise. Electrification: all major brands are now focused on electric platforms. Sustainability: use of recycled, vegan-friendly materials in interiors. Tech integration: AI, augmented reality displays, and autonomous driving. Personalization: cars designed with fully customizable interiors. Performance meets comfort, balancing blistering acceleration with serene comfort. Luxury sedans in 2025 aren't just about transport, they're about living in a moving piece of art. By 2030, luxury sedans will integrate solid-state batteries, fully autonomous driving, and even holographic displays. Interiors may evolve into wellness spaces offering health monitoring, entertainment, and ultra-customized comfort. The luxury sedans of today are shaping the future of how we travel, with elegance, power, and sustainability. by LMKW TBQSN Luxury Sports Coupes of 2025. WL Ultra Luxury Electric SUVs, luxury on the trails. Expect more plush interiors and cutting-edge tech even in vehicles designed for tough terrain. The 25's off-road super SUVs show that adventure doesn't have to mean sacrificing luxury or comfort. The future of off-road super SUVs will be defined by more efficient hybrid powertrains, electric drivetrains for zero emissions, and even smarter tech for superior performance on any terrain. Automakers will continue to blend extreme off-road ability with unrivaled luxury, pushing the boundaries of both innovation and comfort. Off-road SUVs will no longer be just for adventurers, they will be for those who want to experience the world's wildest places in style and comfort. This script is structured for a 10-minute video on NVIDIA AI. HL-TTH by LMQOW-LGIO-TKWN and electric adventure vehicles, well in the future of luxury off-road camping cars. This article is optimized for generating a 10-minute video using NVIDIA AI. Electric SUVs are no longer just about eco-friendliness, they now represent luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. In 2025, automakers have introduced stunning electric SUVs that combine futuristic design with incredible performance. Performance: dual motor system with over 500 horsepower, range, up to 350 miles. Luxury, 56-inch M-Bux hyperscreen across the dashboard. Comfort, spacious first-class seating with AI-assisted climate and entertainment. The EQS SUV is a masterpiece of futuristic luxury. Performance, 835 horsepower and off-road capability. Range, up to 316 miles. Design, rugged yet refined, built for adventure and luxury. Features: adjustable air suspension, gear tunnel storage. The R1S shows that electric SUVs can conquer both city streets and wild terrain. Performance: over 600 horsepower with a top speed of 161 miles per hour. Range, around 373 miles per charge. Design, futuristic hyper-SUV styling. Technology, advanced AI, LiDAR sensors, and immersive digital displays. The Eliter combines the soul of a supercar with the practicality of an SUV. High performance, EV SUVs now rival sports cars. Long range, over 300 miles is becoming the standard. Luxury interiors, premium materials and AI-powered personalization. Sustainability, focus on eco-friendly designs and recyclable materials. Smart tech, autonomous driving, predictive AI, and immersive entertainment. Electric SUVs of 2025 are a balance of power, sustainability, and intelligent design. By 2030, electric SUVs will become the new standard for families, adventurers, and luxury enthusiasts alike. Expect faster charging, greater ranges, fully autonomous driving, and AI-powered interiors. The SUVs of today are paving the way for a cleaner, smarter, and more exciting future of mobility.